How to send crypto from Skrill to Binance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Binance app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. Click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then in here, simply scroll down in Payments and click on Payment Method. After you click on it, click on P2P Payment Methods. And at the bottom, click on Add a Payment Method, which will open this page. Make sure you're verified. If not, click on Verify Now. After everything is verified, you can click on Add a Payment Method again and click on the payment that's showing up. And at the top in the search bar, type in Skrill and click on Skrill Money Bookers. After you've done that, add name and then add your email, which will add everything. After you do that, when you transfer, it will send crypto from Skrill to Binance. This is how to send crypto from Skrill to Binance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.